welcome back. Look at these fruit. They look like star apples, but they're not. They're called Malay Rose Apple, or simply Malay Apple. In Thai, it's called Champu Momiao, though I know my pronunciation is terrible. They go by many different names in many countries. The scientific name is Syzygium Malaccense, a mouthful, and I'm sure I pronounced that wrong too. Inside, it has a sweet white flesh, though sometimes it's kind of bitter and astringent. I've put a regular orange and an apple to give you some idea of their size. This is what it looks like after you've eaten all the white fleshy stuff. Now we're going to get the rest of it off and see what the seeds look like. You can see there's a small crack in it. I hope that's not a problem. That's about as clean as I'm going to get it. I think it's ready to be planted now. Question is, which side up? I'm not sure. I have the feeling the plant can figure it out and I might just put it in sideways. I'm thinking they're pretty good sized seeds, so it'll need a nice large container. The seeds are planted about 1.5 inches, 4 to 5 centimeters deep. So we're going to put that guy in there, and now we're going to cover him with our dirt. Takes from 3 to 5 weeks to germinate. In the meantime, I'll keep the soil moist but not saturated. And I'll keep this in a warm environment, probably at least 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit at all times. And now to wait and let the magic happen. It's been 30 days now, and our Syzygium Malaccense seeds are just starting to germinate. This one's got a little bit of red coming up, and on this one you can see the green stem of the cotyledon. This one I haven't seen anything yet. Now, the roots have already extended all the way down to the bottom of these containers already. We will continue to monitor their progress. It's been 15 more days, and our Syzygium Malaccense plants are doing great. Look how much they've grown. All 3 seeds germinated, and what I find so interesting is they all have developed 2 shoots. I've never grown another seed that does this. Growing mountain apple, aka Malay Rose Apple, from the fresh fruit is not difficult, but it does require a lot of patience and a warm climate. Tick that like button and subscribe for more videos. Happy gardening. See you next time.